If your Epic Games launcher is not opening after logging in, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get it working again. We'll restart the PC, end any stuck Epic processes, clear the web cache, and make sure your VPN is turned off, because any one of these can stop the launcher from loading properly. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart your PC. A fresh restart clears temporary glitches, resets background services, and often fixes launch issues right away. So go ahead and save anything you're working on, restart your computer, and once you're back on the desktop, try opening Epic Games Launcher again. If it still does not open, the next step is to completely close any Epic Games tasks that may be stuck running in the background. To do that, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager, or press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. In Task Manager, look through the Processes tab and find anything related to Epic Games Launcher, Epic Games, or Epic Online Services. Select each one and click End Task. This is important because sometimes the launcher is technically still running, but it is frozen in the background and won't relaunch until those tasks are fully closed. Once you've ended the Epic tasks, we're going to clear the WebCache folder. This cache can become corrupted and prevent the launcher from opening after login. To do this, open File Explorer and go to your Epic Games Launcher data folder. If you're not sure where it is, you can usually find it in the App Data folder under your user profile. The goal is to locate the WebCache folder inside the Epic Games Launcher directory. Once you find it, delete the WebCache folder. Don't worry, this does not remove your games or your account. It simply clears temporary launcher data so Epic can rebuild it fresh the next time it opens. After deleting the WebCache folder, it's a good idea to restart your PC one more time. This gives Windows a clean slate and helps make sure the updated cache removed. Once the computer comes back on, try launching Epic Games again and see if it opens normally after logging in. Now, there's one more thing that can interfere with Epic Games Launcher, and that is a VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely before trying again. Epic's login and launcher services can sometimes fail to connect properly when a VPN is active, especially if the connection is unstable or the region changes during login. So disable the VPN, close the launcher if it is open, and relaunch Epic Games without it. At this point, in most cases, the launcher should open correctly after logging in. To recap, restart your PC, end Epic tasks in Task Manager, delete the WebCache folder, and turn off your VPN. Those are the key steps that solve this issue for many users. If the video helped you fix the problem, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Epic Games fixes like launcher not updating, login errors, or game installation problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.